This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series, episode 8, part 2. In this series, we will cover the MCQs relating to Muslim religious and mystical moments in South Asia. In part 2, we will cover some MCQs on Imam Ghazali. Ghazali born in Tus city in 1858 in which province? Options are India, Tehran, Colombo, Khorasan. Khorasan is a province in the Iran, and Tus is an ancient city in Iran. Tus is an ancient city in the province of Khorasan. So Ghazali was born in Tus city in Khorasan. He studied fiqh and Islamic jurisprudence, and after studying for approximately 7 years the seminary, he returned to, options are India, Tus, Tehran, Colombo. So the correct option here is Tus. After studying for 7 years, he returned to Tus city. He made first visit important trip to Nishapur, and options are 1080, 1082, 1083, 1085. So the correct option here is 1080. He made first important visit to Nishapur in 1080. He became the student of the famous Muslim scholars Abul Mali Juwaini, known as, options are Imam Malik, Imam Al-Haramain, Imam Tasi, none of these. So the correct option here is Imam Al-Haramain. He became the student of famous Muslim scholar Abul Mali Juwaini, who is also known as Imam Al-Haramain. In 1085, Ghazali was invited to go to the court of, options are Babur, Akbar, Nizamul Mulk Tasi, none of these. So the correct option here is Nizamul Mulk Tasi. In 1085, Ghazali was invited to go to the court of Nizamul Mulk Tasi. Nizamul Mulk Tasi was so impressed by the Ghazali's scholarship that in 1091 he appointed him as a chief professor at, options are Punjab University, Baghdad University, Al-Nizamiya of Baghdad, none of them. So the correct option here is Al-Nizamiya of Baghdad. So Nizam al-Mulk Tasi was so much impressed by the Ghazali scholarship that in 1091 he appointed him as a chief professor at Al-Nizamiya of Baghdad. His participation in the Islamic debate and discussions made him, options are unpopular, popular, scholar, none of them. So the correct option here is popular. His participation in Islamic debates and discussion made him very popular. So these were just few of the MCQs regarding Imam Ghazali. I hope you are enjoying this series. Give your feedback in the comment section so I can know whether these series are helpful for you or not. Thank you so much.